So just like the standard Bemis cart, you start with the bottom tray, and then you're going to stick in your lift pins there over in the side, and then go to the side panels and
the retainer pins.
The retainer pins, which is those tiny little ones right there. And those go right here on the inside, that little hole right there. And then you're going to go to the baskets, and we discovered some of these baskets you might have to turn on the side and stretch upward and stretch them out. Slowly slide down the grooves like they're supposed to. Bottom basket first, top basket, and then you come over to the table and do the upper end gate into the handle, and then everything else just goes together like pretty much the standard cart did. So we'll start putting this together. Have at it, Mr. Hollywood star. Come from the inside, make sure you're on your above your lift pins and slide upward. What were those called again?
Retainer pins.
So he's popping in the retainer pins. So that keeps your bottom tray from going up too far, or no?
Yeah.
Got to do your lift pins, don't you? We'll probably have to discuss the purpose of those lift pins later.
It does push it up. I wouldn't want that.
Did it? Now there's grooves on the inside, the up part, top part. There's grooves here. And if you look on the inside, there should be grooves right there that they pop into.
There's a little block right here too.
Oh, that little block is for the top.
Right here.
Oh, it slides on the inside. See, that's probably why it looked different. It's got those little hooks that slide in on the inside. He's right here.
Oh, that's what we're fighting about.
Yeah. And again, your baskets, the hole, what are those pins called?
Shear pin.
The shear pin hole, everything being, uniformed and square, you have to make sure your basket is lined up properly so your pins will go in correctly. It's amazing how everything just pops together. Now the upper end gate, there's little grooves, show them the little grooves on the inside here. On the inside of the handle, there's little depth grooves there that this will fit into and hold there while you slip it on. At least it's supposed to, huh?
You don't want to put that in yet.
It fell out. There it goes. And there's a little pin. The end gate pin slides in. There is an upper and a lower.
10 o'clock and 2 o'clock.
Is that the groove? Is there grooves on? I didn't see grooves on the ends of those. Okay.
It's not a groove. Okay, it's just a line.
Oh, there it is. The little groove.
It's line. It's just a line.
This is the worst part.
Oh yeah, those shear pins. Here, take your mallet.
Round edge to the rear.
Yeah.
To the front.
Show them on. We'll show them on the next one. So, I was told you got to follow the angle of the basket.
He's a round edge here.
So it'd be like this, right? So here.
Yeah, round edge.
So your angle of your basket's going that way. So that's where the shear pin goes and follows. Being told that this round end goes in first, and then you pop it in, and then use your mallet the rest of the way.
Then it's the wheels. So,
There's this little weird thing that it's absolutely useless. Should have been molded part of the handle, but whatever. Then we gotta pop these side panels on. And once again, if you look at these side panels, there's little hooks on the top side, and they slide in to the grooves, and then there's little clips on the bottom side. Now the wheels. And if you are putting anti-tilts on, the anti-tilts that went on the standard cart also fit the two-tier cart. The front casters.
The other nuts are for this one. The other nuts are for these. You think they're right ones?
The copper ones?
Yeah.
Or the aluminum ones?
No, the flat ones.
That's all right. We could change it.
Huh?
So the aluminum ones are smaller or in size?
There's like actual, like the regular ones.
Okay. And then there's a bottom end gate pin, a lower end gate pin that just pops in. Two-tier cart put together.